Hello from the Waterworks Museum, and welcome to another Try It Tuesday. Today we're going to take a closer look at the science behind what makes something sink or float. All objects are made up of lots of tiny molecules. When those molecules are packed tight together, we say the object has a high density. When those molecules are spread out within the object, we say it has a low density. For example, this coin has a high density, and this bubble wrap has a low density. An object's density affects whether it can sink or float. Our high density coin sinks, while our low density bubble wrap floats. But density isn't the only thing that will affect whether an object can sink or float. The shape of an object can affect this too. The more of the outside of an object, or surface area, that's touching the water, the more likely that object is to float. Notice our bubble wrap has a larger surface area touching the water than our coin does. Also, if an object is hollow or has air inside, it is more likely to float, since air is less dense than water. Our bubble wrap has pockets of air that help it stay afloat. Now, just because an object has a high density doesn't mean we can't make it float. For example, if we sit our coin on top of the bubble wrap, the overall density is still low enough that everything will float. Sometimes it can be hard to tell if an object will sink or float just by looking at it, so it's good to do some tests. You may need to for your next activity, because your challenge today is to build a boat using objects found around your home that can carry 4/4 worth of weight and not sink for at least 1 minute. Some materials you might try are tin foil, plastic Tupperware lids, paper or plastic cups, but really the sky's the limit. Here's the boat I made. My 4/4. Success! If you do decide to build your own boat, please share a photo or video with us. We'd love to see what you made. And don't forget to tune in next week for another Try It Tuesday. See you next time!